Good morning. This is Manoj Jain and welcome you all in IndiaNivesh Commodity Research Update. We have seen a strong volatility in both the precious metal prices last week. Besides strength in dollar index and upbeat US manufacturing numbers, upbeat unemployment claims data, and better than expected non-farm employment payrolls data. Both the precious metals are able to hold the crucial supports level in international market. Due to the coronavirus outbreak, both the precious metals witness buying at lower levels in international markets, and gold price is able to hold $1,570 per ounce, while silver prices are able to hold $17.70 per ounce in international markets. Even in domestic market, gold prices closes above 40,500 odd levels at MCX, and silver prices also closed above 46,000 odd levels in domestic markets. Due to the weakness in rupee, both the precious metals also get support in domestic markets. We expect the volatility remain continue in precious metals this week due to the strength in dollar index and coronavirus outbreak is fear is increasing of coronavirus in China, and it also spreads in other countries, and due to this the safe haven buying is seen in both the precious metals at lower levels. We expect the volatility remain continue, and prices will get support at lower levels. In domestic market, if the gold prices sustain above 40,500, could extend rally towards 40,600 to 46,700, 40,850 odd levels in domestic markets. 40,330 continue to act as a major support for gold. While silver prices sustain above 46,000 odd levels in domestic market, could extend rally towards 46,400 to 46,500 levels again. 45,850 act as a major support for silver in domestic markets. Crude oil prices also shows weakness last week, and this was the fifth consecutive week when we see the prices fell in international market as WTI prices closed around $50 per barrel in international markets. As OPEC and OPEC countries are meeting this week, and there is an expectation of further oil cut from OPEC countries, as market is already priced in the further production cut of 6 lakh barrel from OPEC countries in forthcoming meet. But prices are continue to uh, face pressure due to the coronavirus outbreak and expectation of slower global demand from the virus, and Chinese demand is also expected to shrink by 20% in first quarter of 2020. We expect the crude oil prices remain soft, and if the WTI prices sustain below $50 per barrel in international market, could extend the fall towards 48 to $47 per barrel in international markets. $52 per barrel continue to act as a major resistance for WTI at NYMEX division. Even in domestic market now, 3,720 act as a major resistance for crude, and prices sustaining below this could extend the fall in coming days. 3,580 is a major support for crude oil prices in domestic market, and if these levels are unable to hold, then we will see the further downside in the prices towards 3,540, 3,520 in domestic markets. Base metal prices also shows weakness last week. Some buying is seen at the start of the week when there was a media report that China found the drug for coronavirus, and we have seen some buying in the base metal peg. But at the end of the week, again, selling pressure is seen in entire base metal peg. Copper prices again slips below $5,700 per metric ton odd levels at London Metal Exchange, and even in domestic market, 432 crucial supports level are breached during the closing of the week. We expect the volatility remain continue in base metal pack, and if the next supports level of 430 is breached, for copper in domestic market will see further weakness towards 427, 426 odd levels. 432 and 432 act as a major resistance for copper in domestic market. Nickel prices also shows the volatility last week. However, prices hold 933 odd levels. If prices slips below this level, could extend the fall towards 918 again. 944, 955 act as a major resistance for nickel prices in domestic markets. Zinc prices also slips below crucial supports level of 170 in domestic market. If prices sustain below this level, could also extend the fall towards 167, 166 odd levels. 172, 173 act as a major resistance for zinc in domestic markets. Agriculture commodities shows a strong volatility last week, and most of the industrial agriculture commodities extend falls. We have seen a weakness in castor seed, guar, gum, cotton, and cottonseed oil cake prices last week. Spices complex also shows weakness due to the fear of a slower export demand in c- coming months from the Chinese coronavirus. Edible oil and oilseeds commodities also shows a strong volatility last week as the soybean prices unable to hold above the crucial resistance level of 4,110 in domestic market and closes around 4,050 odd levels. 4,000 act as a major support for soybean in domestic market while 4,110 act as a major resistance. Either side breakout of the range will give further direction to the prices. Refined soy oil prices closes around 850 odd levels in domestic market. Now 838, 840 act as a major supports in domestic market. While prices sustain above 855 odd levels could extend rally towards 860 to 866 again. Cotton prices also shows volatility last week and 19,000 is act as a major support for cotton in domestic market, and if the prices slips below this level could extend the fall towards 90, 1880, 800 to 1800, 700 in domestic market. 19,200 act as a major resistance, and only prices sustained above this level could extend the rally towards 19,400 to 19,500 levels again. In entire agriculture commodities, we expect the volatility remain continue this week. For more updates on commodity research, keep watching IndiaNivesh research update on Telegram channel. Thank you.